guys, thank you for joining me again for another video. If you're new, my name is Rochelle and I do lifestyle videos. So today I'll be trying press-on nails, right? So these have recently become a thing and I wanted to try it out. So I got these nails from K-Soulz Glam, right? She does lashes and fingernails. You can check her out on Instagram at K-Soulz Glam. You can also WhatsApp or call her at 31876-314-9143. So for these press-on nails, I'll be showing you how to install them with the help of my sister-in-law. So stay tuned for the demo. I'll be also unpacking it to show you what's included in the package. Alright, so I'll be doing the unpacking right now. As you can see, the packaging is really nice. I love the logo and all. It's really nice. I love how it's personalized and all the details are at the back. It shows you how to apply it and stuff like that and how to contact her. So inside the box we have an alcohol prep pad. We have nail glue. What is this called? This is what you use to paste on the fingernail as well. So you can use the glue or these. And we have the fingernails. So we have the packaging says we get 24 nails. So you must go and find 10 fingernails from this to do your nails. Alright, this design is called Bourbon. I like it. It's nice and matte. We get a nail file. Comes with a nail file. And what you call this thing that you use to fix your cuticle? It comes with this as well. Okay guys, so right here my sister-in-law is matching the nails with my finger. The nails actually have numbers on them. Whenever you're matching them, ensure that they don't fit exactly over the finger, because you want to ensure that when you press them down, there's space to flush it in between the cuticles and stuff like that. Also ensure to lay the fingernails in the correct order as it's been done here, so you don't get them mixed up.
Okay, so before I start, I'm going to clean up your nails with the alcohol prep pad.
Yes, you can.
You know, you have to do this to get your nails all laid. When you have it on and then in 2 minutes it fall off, to get off any grease or whatever, like lotion or oil or whatever is there. So now I'm going to push back her cuticles, yeah, to give it that natural look. Push it back too far and damage the nail bed. get kind of rough, so the glue stick much better, or the nail rather.
Okay guys, so for this video, we'll be using the glue tabs to show you how to install with the glue tabs. Sorry.
Someone's having a tongue twist today. So, I think give me a finger.
So here you put the glue tab on your nail itself, and then you'll apply the fingernail afterwards.
All the way under the cuticle, so give it this natural look. And kind of press it to keep it down. This glue tab is nice actually. Okay, look at this. Beautiful. I love this.
The color is gorgeous. The glue tab, them hard to come on, you see?
Hard to come off.
Wow.
You like?
Yes. Guys, it looks so natural already. Look at this, guys. Isn't it just lovely?
Wow, beautiful.
Guys, I love it. They're thin, they're not fat. Oh, I mean, and this color is beautiful. It actually feels firm too, you know. Actually feels very, very firm. So I'll definitely tag her on Instagram and let her know how long they last. Well, the thing firm, so they feel like they'll last a very long time. But I like it. Nobody can tell that these are press-on nails. Look at it, guys. A genius who thought about revamping these.
So here is the finished product, guys. It's really nice and natural. I like it.
So that's a wrap. You should definitely go and check out this page. As you can see, my nails are lovely. See you until next time. Bye.
Don't forget to like, comment, to share, and to subscribe.
Real.